Hello, I hope you all are doing well today. Today we are going to learn how to create a YouTube channel. So we will go to our YouTube website. Uh, as you can see, I am already logged in. So you need to be logged in to the YouTube, and you have to go to the YouTube settings. Okay, go to YouTube settings, and here you will be seeing a link, add or manage your channels. So let me tell you, you can make up to 200 channels on YouTube for different categories, like someone who want to make some tutorials or some gaming channel or some cooking or other stuff. So you can manage all these channels. Okay, you can start by making a new channel. You have to visit this link, create a channel. You have to click this create a channel button. Here you have to give your channel a name. I will write here a name for my channel. Let's say test name. You have to check this button to agree with the terms, and simply you have to click this create button. So here you go, your channel is being created, and you can manage your channel by you can manage your videos by clicking on this manage videos button. You can customize your channel, and I will be teaching you the rest of in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, give me a like button.